The FRS and BRZ platforms have grown to be one of the most popular tuner vehicles worldwide, and it's not hard to see why. With a wide variety of aftermarket products available, unlocking your car's performance has never been easier. XForce Performance Exhausts have developed premium bolt-on exhaust systems made from 304 grade stainless steel to enhance the look, sound, and performance of your FRS and BRZ. 421 tri-wide stainless steel headers increase flow straight from the get-go, allowing your engine to breathe easier. For naturally aspirated applications, the 2.5-inch catback system offers a tough sound as well as improved appearance thanks to our 4.5-inch double-wall angle cut tips. If you're after a bit more sound and headed down the forced induction route, our 3-inch stainless steel catback system is for you. For more information on these systems, head to our website at www.xforceusa.com.